go. Yes, Mr. Tashi, it's a great pleasure to be here in Yosemite National Park. And this particular spot that you brought us to is wonderful, known as the Tunnel Point, right?
Yeah.
And from here we are going to the glacier.
Yep.
I want to thank Satish Bedi, his company, Heritage Tours and Travels, and the connection they have with Connect Tours, Connect US Tours, and the man they have given us, Mr. Tashi, is the best person they could have given us. I have to thank you all, guys. We are really enjoying ourselves. We're having a grand time. This is Mahesh Kothare from Yosemite National Park. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Mahesh ji, Mr. Gautam ji, and we all are very enjoying
Yes.
here. And Mr. Mahesh ji is a filmmaker. Yeah, and Hindi and
Hey,
Marathi.
you're calling me.
So we are enjoying today here.
I plan
and this is
I plan to shoot my next Marathi film
Mhm.
in Yosemite National Park.
okay. Here, everyone.
And you have to make the arrangement for me, all arrangements, this Connect Tours and US Tours
Thank
and
you.
Heritage Tours and Travels.
Thank
they have
you.
to make all the arrangements, okay?
Okay.
And then you have to give me the discount for the next
Okay.
station of mine.
Okay.
When I'm going to Las Vegas, I want full discount with that.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. So the back scene
look
is
at the
like a
scenery,
tunnel
man.
view.
Oh,
You
oh,
see
oh.
the half dome and valley.
Okay, my one then.
Yeah. So here,
This is my wife Nalima. You cannot do this video without her. Tashi, if you had sent this video without her presence, I wouldn't be there tomorrow on the tour.
and we had a great lunch.
Lunch, wow,
Thank
what
you.
lunch we had.
Yeah, and,
And,
beautiful weather, you know.
And we were lucky to have good weather.
Yep.
And we're lucky not to have very hot valley. Valley was
Yeah.
nice and comfortable.
Thank you,
Thank
Mr.
you.
Mahesh, Mr. Gautam, all of you. Appreciate it.